Do you see more collaboration between the retailers, consumers, and the logistics players from a last mile delivery point of view, or do you think there is increased polarization? What trends do you see in our industry?
Personally, I think it's from a consumer lens. So let's look at it from a consumer lens. The consumer doesn't really anymore care who they talk to. I think that's, for me, one of the things, right? The consumer just cares to get his product on my doorstep, in some cases personalized, on the time I want it to be. Now, if you work backwards against that, that's a major challenge from a retailing, from a logistics, from a manufacturing, because the three things now have to work together seamlessly to support that. And you can look at models of buying all three and making it one company, or you are the type of industry leader that wants to maximize existing partnerships already, where if you're not good in one area, why not partner? I think it's for us, it's public that we actually also did some joint venture with DHL from a logistics front, because we also, similar to partnership, want to do capability building and capacity building, right? From a retailer point of view, to set up an e-commerce, or from a manufacturing to set up the whole supply chain or value stream for that area, we can opt actually to partner to make it faster, to experiment, and we've done that, or to also now look at that opportunity to see if you want to do your own, right? But I think from a perspective from us, we have to start from the customer-centric point of view, and now look at your landscape. Can you really stand alone? Or you have to now buy or partner to be able to make it quicker, because it's one area the consumer, and correct me if I'm wrong, will not wait. Right? They'll find other options. Right? They say that brand loyalty, they wouldn't say it's gone, but it's less. Right? And therefore, I think when brand loyalty becomes from a consumer product, or from even in any area of retail, it becomes less and less, right? Then it's more like speed to market or speed to me. So it's the personalization is the important thing. Gone are the days that the consumer adjusts to you. The consumer now is the one that you have to adjust to, right? And that's a big challenge for those creating platforms that are more consumer facing. We're building right now a couple of them as we speak, to really make sure that you are able to cater to them, because that's where the demand is.